and with a flat bladed screwdriver, if you wiggle it in, it pops out. I'll have to dig the other one out the bottom of the door in a minute. Then behind here we're going to pull this out, and that pulls off there. You've got 8mm bolts here. Slacken those off. It's always best to have the mirror down a bit so you can put your arm through. Get the magnet. And the last couple of turns. There. I'll feel it with my finger at the back there. And then that one. Now the mirror is held in with some clips. So yeah. And then so panel back up a bit if you can. One end is a bit of a mess, but yeah, you can't do it one-handed. And then comes off there like that, and then the wire's off, and that's how you get the mirror off.